American made, but like Chevrolet. My mama taught me wrong from right. I was born in the South. Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it. We've been driving this road for a mighty long time, paying no mind to the signs. Well, this neighborhood's changed, it's all been rearranged. We left that team somewhere behind. Slow down, we're gonna crash. Radio is screaming, it's a blast, blast, blast. Look out, baby, you got your blinders on. Everybody's looking for a way to get real gone, real gone, real gone.
Nung buntis ako kay Nathaniel, sobrang saya ko nung nalaman namin it's a boy kasi finally after 2 girls, meron na kaming lalaki. Super bait talaga ni Lord kasi finally binigay niya agad sa amin after 2 baby girl yung aming baby boy.
You wait and prophecy. Come on now, slow down, you're gonna crash.
Sobrang saya ko din, as in sobra. Kasi nakadalawang babae na nga. Yan yung pinakniling namin dalawa is sana mag-boy talaga.
Everybody's looking for a way to get real gone.
Si Nathaniel kasi talagang mas gusto niya yung asawa ko kaysa sa akin. Talagang pag kinukuha ko siya, parang hindi niya ako nakita. Diretso siya kay Nathan. Talagang gusto niya sa daddy niya.
Real gone. You can say what you want, but you can't
Sobrang
say
sweet niya. Pag nakikita niya ako, natatawa na agad siya. Tapos pag binibigay ko siya sa mga yaya, parang ayaw niya.
Sa lahat ng anak kasi namin, siya yung pinakang makulit, palangiti. Hindi siya mahirap pangitiin. Pag ito, pero pag ako kahit, wala pa rin.
Slow down, you're gonna crash. Radio is screaming, it's a blast, blast, blast. Look out, you got your blinders on.
Gusto ko lang na maging malusog siya lagi, hindi sakitin. And syempre may takot sa Diyos, mapagmahal sa mga kapatid niya. As siya yung lalaki, siya yung kuya, kahit bunso. At huwag siya maging chick boy.
Got my hands in the air.
Hindi mo na ako chick boy.
Look out, you take your blinders on. Everybody's looking for a way to get real gone. Well, here I come, and I'm so not scared. Got my pedal to the metal, got my hands in the
Wish ko lang na paglaki niya, maging healthy siya. Yun, may takot sa Diyos unang-una. Kung ano man yung maging gusto niya sa buhay o kung ano man maging siya paglaki niya, tatanggapin niya.
blinders on. Everybody's looking for a way to get real gone. Well, here I come, and I'm so not
Happy first birthday, baby Nathaniel!
hands in the air.
Kasi tawawa.
Happy first birthday, baby Nathaniel! We love you!
Real gone, real gone. Real gone. Ooh. Real gone. Real gone.